Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to change the navigation bar on this device. So at the bottom you can see the navigation bar. This is the recent button, home button and the back button. This is the order of this navigation bar. So let me show you how to change this one. Simply go to settings, tap on the option display, scroll down. Here you can see the option navigation bar. Tap on this one. Now the button is selected. Now here you can see the option more options. Tap on this one. So here you can see one more navigation bar. The order is back, home, reset. If you want to change this one, you can change this one. Now you can see it is changed at the bottom also. Okay. If you want to change again, then you can change this one. According to your choice, you can change the navigation bar. So if you want to select the swipe gestures, you can select the swipe gestures, and here also you can see the instructions how to use this swipe gestures. Okay, so simply in this way we can change the navigation bar on this device. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.